iPhone unavailable. Try again in 15 minutes. Let me walk you through the 3 solutions to unlock your iPhone when you forget the iPhone passcode. While you are greeted with the dreaded iPhone unavailable screen, iPhone unavailable. Try again in 15 minutes. Usually, this happens after multiple unsuccessful passcode attempts. The timer will be escalating with more failed passcode attempts. The limit is 10 before the final lockout. Why the Erase iPhone option is missing on the screen? Because the Find My iPhone is off when it's locked out. Firstly, let me show you how to unlock it with a computer with iTunes. Turn off your iPhone first. Let it turn off completely. Press the correct button while connecting it to your computer. This is an iPhone 7, so we press the volume down button while connecting to computer. Don't let it go until you see the recovery mode screen appears. Wait for a while. Release the button when you see the recovery mode screen. Launch iTunes on your computer. When it prompts, click Restore. Later, click Restore and Update. The iTunes app should download the iOS software and restore your iPhone. Wait for a few moments and you will see your iPhone is restoring. Don't move your iPhone during the process. Disconnect it from your computer when you see the welcome screen, and you can set it up. On the second scenario, you should see there is an Erase iPhone option on the screen. Thus, you can erase your iPhone through the button. Because the Find My iPhone is on before the security lockout, just tap Erase iPhone. Tap Erase iPhone again and enter your Apple ID password to unlock it. To use this solution, your iPhone should be connected to your Wi-Fi or cellular data before the security lockout. The restoring process needs the network to transfer data. If both solutions are not viable options, you can always settle for the third-party software solution. Download and install the software from the links below in the descriptions. Launch it. Firstly, you still need to put your iPhone into recovery mode while connecting it to your computer, like before. If you have different iPhone models, you can still unlock your iPhone with this software after putting it into recovery mode successfully. Click Wipe Passcode. Click Start, and the program should detect your iPhone model automatically and recommend the software package to download. Then click Start to download the firmware packages. Keep in mind that if your iPhone exits the recovery mode during the downloading process, just put it into recovery mode again. Normally, if your network speed is very fast, the download will be finished very soon. When you see the pop-up window, enter 40 to start the unlocking process. The program should erase all content and settings on your iPhone, including the forgotten password. Don't operate your iPhone during the process. Later, wiped passcode successfully screen appears. Set up your iPhone. If your Find My iPhone is on before erasing it, you should still pass the iCloud activation lock screen by entering your Apple ID. On the Enter Passcode for Other iPhone page, tap Didn't Know Password to bypass it. If you feel our video is a little helpful to you, please give me a thumb up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you, bye guys!